What's up, loves? It's your girl Brainy Gears, and I'm back with another video. Today I want to do a tutorial featuring some new products that I picked up and some that I ordered online. I just received my box from Macy's. I did a online order, and I believe I purchased the Anastasia palette. Oh, I got a lot of nice samples. Yeah, I purchased the Anastasia palette. This is how they wrap it up. Okay, I got some goodies. So I purchased the Soft Glam palette, and this was on sale. I can't remember how much, but I believe it was $35.70. I also purchased the Anastasia Amrezy. This is the highlighter, and the highlighter was $23.80. So I saved a lot of money purchasing through Macy's. And I picked up I ordered the Anastasia lip gloss, and this is in Butterscotch, and that was only $13.60. So this is a good price because I think they are either $19 or $20. And I showed you some samples, and I also received some more samples from here, and here is a free gift that you get with purchase. So the free gift is another butterscotch. So I'll probably use this first. And this looks like a mirror, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Yep, it's a compact mirror, so that's pretty cool. I like my free gift, and I'm glad that Macy's had everything on sale. So now what I want to do is open this Soft Glam palette. It has that velvet feel. It comes with your mirror, and I'm going to flip that over along with the sleeve to protect the eyeshadows. Comes with your brush, and here are the pretty shades. Now online, on camera it don't do it any justice, but I see some really pretty shades. Like if you're into golds, you get like 3 different colors. If you're into your pinks or your rosy bronze colors, you have these 3. And I've been hearing a lot of hype about this mulberry, so I'm going to try to probably use that on the outer. You have your burnt orange or your sienna if you want to pop that in the crease. So I'm going to do hopefully it'll turn out a soft look. And I also went to Sephora and I picked up some goodies that I wanted to share with you all. And I finally got my hands on the Cover FX Power Play. I've been looking for this foundation before it even launched at the store. So I'm going to use that too. I did my brows, and I don't have on any primer. I want to use this new primer that I picked up from Sephora. It's the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice. But, I'm going to use I said new products, so I'm going to use this. And I'm not going to do a wear test on this foundation because it is a little late. And I don't have time, but it comes in a box like so. And here it is right here. And I was just sold when they said it smelled good. A lot of people say it was really drying, and I think I need that if I have oily skin. So this right here comes with a pump, and let me tell you what it is. It's the Glow Recipe. It's from Glow Recipe, and it's the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Okay, and this bottle is 2.3 fluid ounce, and I'm gonna just apply that to my finger. My fingers are clean, and it smells like watermelon. It smells really good. So hopefully it agrees with my skin. Don't break me out. And let's see, it absorbs in the skin. That's a good thing. I got this big hickey right here from me tying my scarf too tight. So hopefully that'll go down. Yeah, it absorbed in the skin. A little tacky. So that should be interesting. Okay. Now, I don't do foundation first. I always go in with my eyes. So since I did my eyebrows, I'm looking off because I need to look into that mirror. So I'm going to do my eyes. And this is the SmashBox Lid Primer. I love this stuff because it doesn't allow my eyes to get greasy. When I use other products, my lids get greasy throughout the day. But when I use this product, my eyeshadow stays on, stays in place, and they don't get oily at all. And that's a good thing. Okay, so I'm going to get started, and I'm going to go in with Rustic in my crease. So I'm going to dab this brush, and this is just a Sedona Lace A63 brush, and I'm just going to go in my crease with this, back and forth. I don't like that one. I'm going to use this one. This is the A63, but it's a little bit more softer, I guess, because I've used it. That one was kind of new. So the next thing that I'm going to do is put on some mascara because I'm going to wear falsies. And this mascara is Superhero It Cosmetics. I'm trying to use it out, but it's still some product left. And I just need a little bit of mascara because I'm going to apply falsies. And I don't want to apply them on bare lashes. I want them to blend in with my real lashes. Alright, this is the Cover FX Power Play Foundation, and I picked up the shade G80. I'm going to shake it up, and let's see what brush I should use. Maybe I'll use this It brush. Okay, I'm going to shake it up. And it has a nozzle like this, like so. And I'm going to pump about that much out. I'll probably need some more. I can always go in with some more. And that's the shade right there. Okay, here we go. At first when I was at Sephora, the young lady told me that this shade was a little bit too light for me. So she went in with G80, and I'm like, G80 is a little bit on a bronzy orange side. So she agreed once I told her to apply the the G80 on this side as opposed to the G90. Yeah, and she agreed that it did match me better. And I was liking this foundation when she first applied it to my face. Let me make sure this is how the foundation turned out, and this is my bare skin. So it doesn't look like I'm wearing a lot of makeup. It looks kind of natural if I can say so myself. Okay, now I'm going to apply it to the other side. I like the way the foundation turned out. So I'm going to finish my concealer and whatnot off camera, and I will be back with the finished look. Okay? Okay guys, so this is the final look of how it turned out, and I'm really pleased with this Cover FX foundation. This is like my new joint. Really loving this. I've been using the Chanel for about 2 weeks. I picked this up. And I was like, it was okay, matched really well, but it doesn't beat the Cover FX. The Cover FX it was like made for me. And I really like the way that it turned out. I put a little fake mold right here because I have a bump that's peeking through. So yeah, hope that don't look too crazy. But I'm loving how my eyes turned out. Really, really pretty. Maybe I'll put some, I need some glistening in between my, let's see how that looks. Okay, that'll work. I need a little bling in the inner corner of my eyes. That's looking good. Okay, so I'm feeling this foundation. I'm feeling this makeup look. I'm liking the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. I'm loving the Cover FX. Now I can give you a rundown. I did use the Anastasia Butterscotch lippy on my lips, and the lashes that I went with on today is from Koko lashes, and these are the Goddess lashes. I've been using this for a minute and I'm loving it. Now the highlight that I went with on today is from Sephora. You guys know this is like one of my go-tos, and this is the Stardust. And I used 2 blushes from MAC. One is Breath of Plum and the other one is Coppertone. I just mixed those 2. And if I forgot anything else, I'll list it down in the description section of the video. I hope you guys like. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you want to see more get ready with me or using new makeup product videos. I'm down for it. Just let me know. I need some feedback. So you ghost followers who follow me but don't never comment, don't never thumbs up, hit that like button and let me know if you want to see more videos like this, or you can let me know what videos you want to see down in the comment section. Yeah, so with that being said, I am finished with this here video. I thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, God bless. Bye.
Everybody's talking about you and her together. What could you do to me? Yeah. And everybody's talking about all the wonderful things